Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can hide videos on CapCut PC. So for instance, you're editing these videos and you placed a lot of videos on top of each other, and you just want to hide one video. Just trying to find one more. Okay, I don't know this one. You just want to hide, for instance, this video because it doesn't suit these videos. So select this video. And for instance, you still want it to be in your project, but you don't want to delete it. You're just going to hide here. And it's going to basically hide the track and show track. So just select the icon on your project. And that's basically it. Super simple. Hope this video was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.